Hi, this is Gary again here with Auto Door Hardware. I'm here to take a look at a Norton door closure. This particular model is a 7500 in 689 finish. Norton is a high quality manual door closure which comes complete with instructions on how to install it in various different configurations. Take a look at it here. It comes with the hardware pack with the mounting screws. Norton closures come packaged really well in a nice cardboard box. Comes with a parallel arm bracket. It comes with a heavy-duty arm assembly. And this particular model does come with a cover. As you can see, it's packaged really good here. They have a nice heavy-duty plastic cover, which, by the way, does tell on the inside of it how to make the adjustments for the spring tension or adjusting the closing speeds. And this is the closure body, which is very heavy-duty and long-lasting. This product can be bought at Auto Door Hardware, along with many other products. You can look at our website at www.autodoorhardware.com.